Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable slow mode on a particular text channel. So slow mode basically is a way to limit the amount of messages a member can send. So for example, we have a new text channel here, and then let's call this announcement reactions. And I would expect people to really be spamming this server very quickly. And if I wanted to enable slow mode here, all I have to do is click on edit channel, scroll down, and you'll see the slow mode option. So on the drop down list, you can set the interval between how many messages a user can send. So for now, let's try testing out the 5 seconds option. So I'm going to go here, then I'm going to type in test, and I'm going to type in test again. I feel like it's because of my admin permissions. I forgot admin permissions allow you to bypass a channel's slow mode. So you can see here slow mode immune. So I'm going to go ahead and switch accounts real quick and really demonstrate. Here we go. Test, test. You can see it doesn't let me send another message. And there's a small timer here at the top right of the text box, of the message box. So that's what slow mode is. It's just a way to keep things tidy, make sure people don't overwhelm any text channels, and keeps things nice and tidy. So that's it. Very quick and easy how to. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.